So for the final part in our file system object series, we are going to write the code to actually copy our file and to paste it with a new file name. Before we do this, we can see in the folder where we're going to be working, we only have the work planner file. Let's now try running our code with the F5 key, and then we'll take a look in the immediate window. We can see from the immediate window that it is creating a copy for us, and if we actually look in the folder, again we can see our copy called work planner copy. So we're now at a stage where we are ready to copy our source file and to paste it with the new name. To do this, we're going to use the FSO object.copyFile method, and we're going to construct it inside of a with block. So we'll say with FSO object, we're going to use .copyFile, and the source we are going to set to full file path. The destination we are going to set to copy file path, and we're going to set the overwrite files flag to true. Okay, that's it for our with block. And what we want to do is to check after we have copied the file that it does actually exist. So we'll copy this block of code here, paste it down here. We'll say after copying the file, the desktop folder contains .xls files. And what we're going to do inside this loop this time around is we are going to put in a filter. We're going to say if FSO object.get extension name. So this returns the extension name without the dot. And we want to use file counter. And if that extension name is like XLS, then we are going to debug.print the file name. So this time around, we're only going to print out the Excel file names, whereas before we printed out everything. And the reason I've done this is just to show you the method get extension name. It's one that I find particularly useful when I'm cycling through files and folders and I want to check if a file is a given file type and then do something with all of the files of a given type. Okay, we will save that. We will compile. And let's take a look at the folder before we do anything. We can see the work planner copy does not exist. Then we're going to run our code using the F5 key. We're going to use Ctrl and G to open up the immediate window. We can see at the start, we only have work planner, and after we've copied the file, we have work planner copy.xlsb. Let's clear out the immediate window and close it down. And let's actually take a look in the folder and see the file that's sitting there. And we can see the work planner copy.xlsb file is actually sitting in the folder where we've created it. So that's done exactly what we want it to do.